Have all been roasted on the barbecue coals, maybe except that one. If they're a bit crispy, it's the barbecue. If they look mushy, or more anyway, it's the oven. You can do both. When we do it in the oven, so I'm going to show you how to peel them, and then you can do the rest of it yourself. Can I use yours? Okay, I will not. Can I use yours? So we want to remove the stem. You can make a cut like this. And especially in the crispy ones, you're chipping away, chip by chip. In the mushy ones, or in both of them, you can make a cut like this all the way over. Open it and use the spoon to scrape it out. Or otherwise you make a cut like this and you peel it like a banana. Use your hands, a knife, whatever you want. But the peels, you can put them in the discard plate I place between them.
Do you grow it?
A lot. These are most definitely from Rhodes. I don't check all the invoices, but most of the time. Into the plates. Because we're gonna chop it up and then we'll put it. Meat in the center. There's always an opening. It's usually hidden, but there's always one. That opening, you have it face yourselves. So this one, face yourselves. We're going to place the filling on a horizontal line next to that opening near the center where the veins are. The amount of filling you use depends on the size of the leaf. If you use too much, it's hard to roll. If you use too little, it's not as tasty. So beginner tip, don't use too much. This is a safe amount because my leaf is really weird. So next or first step, really, you take these two parts facing yourselves. I like to call them the ears. And you flip them over. Alright. So you use your fingers at the end of each big motion to tuck it in so it stays. Then you take the left and the right side and you fold it to the center. Use your fingers again to tuck it in so it stays. And tightly, but not extremely, you roll it on itself into a neat mini burrito with an exhaust pipe. Alright.